What's up? ID1 here, and today I'm cooking sushi! You need not only to behave like sushi master, but also look like sushi master. We will need some fish, nori, cottage cheese, soy sauce, and rice vinegar, and a cucumber, avocado. You will need a rice and a pan big enough for your head, just in case. You need to wash the rice to get rid of the starch. After a couple of times, it will become crystal clean. Is it ready? No, not yet. There are 250 milligrams of rice, so I'm adding 250 milliliters of water. The rice will be cooking till water starts boiling, and after that you'll have to wait about 10 more minutes. Let's slice some cucumbers. We won't need this part because it contains a lot of water and will make your sushi too juicy. Don't forget about avocado. I'm strong because I eat a lot of sushi. The rice is cooked, so I turned off the cooker, and to add some flavor I will use rice vinegar. I will need 25 milliliters for that. Sugar and half a spoon of salt, and mix it. Mix it a bit and add some more. These are wooden sticks combined, tied together. To use it more than once, I will wrap it in cling film. I might have done something wrong. Cut the nori in half. You will need only one, so get rid of the second one. Nori has two sides, the shiny one and a not so shiny one. The shiny one should be face down, like that. The rice is very sticky. If you don't want it to stick to your hands, wet your hands before touching it. That's a bowl of water. Putting my hands in it. Take a small piece of rice and put it on the nori. It shouldn't be very fat, but should cover all nori. When you finish with the rice, you can put other ingredients. I will put cottage cheese, and some avocado on top of it. Now wrap it. Oh my god, it's too fat! Push a little bit, just to make a beautiful shape. These parts are not very beautiful, so put your wrap to the side and then push the rice and all the ingredients back. You created a perfect roll, but now you have to cut it. Our meal is ready. I call it a meal for one. You can also add other ingredients. Fish, chicken, or even a sausage, yes! There's also another way of wrapping your sushi. Spread the rice and then turn over your nori. Some cheese, cottage cheese, avocado. Now wrap it. Boom! And here how it will look like. Ah, perfect. Now you know all about the sushi and you don't need to go to the restaurant. If you wanna see some perfect recipes again, please subscribe. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful.